What's up, guys? Today the video is going to be about this. No, not really. It's more that. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Steph, and today we're going to talk about this guy here. What about 2 years ago? Because we need it. We have no choice for the meat. Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is a Sort Notch waterproof meter. That's the box when you receive it. Let's open it. Et voila. And turn it on the other way. The meat temperature guide. I don't know if you can see it. This is the consumer information. Et voila. Plus this guy here. When it's time to open it, turn on right away. You have a backlight. If you want to put it on Celsius or Fahrenheit, just push this guy here. When you have a push button to hold it, turn it off, close it, just like that. The battery, just take a screwdriver, turn it a little bit, take it out. The battery inside, it's a CR2032. The weight of this guy here is roughly 60 grams, 64 grams. This is plastic and this is stainless steel. When you want to put it away, you can always put it, on a hook, or just roughly around here. You have like an aimant if you want to put it, you stick it on the metal. It's roughly 6 inches long. This and this is roughly 4 inches. Yeah, I forgot. I paid less than $22 Canadian 2 years ago, and the range for the heat is going to be 58 Fahrenheit to all the way to 572 Fahrenheit, or if you want in Celsius, is going to be 50 Celsius to 300 Celsius. I hope you like this video. Each week we're going to have a new one. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and please ding 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 the bell. See you in the next one. Ciao.